Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Poolside Pop. This is the Fine Fragrance Mist. It's just 8 fluid ounces and 236 ml. I purchased this about a year ago. I actually got this scent for Christmas, and it was like, I don't think it wasn't a sale that they were having. I'm trying to think. It was like a sale, but not their like semi-annual sale. If you guys are familiar with their semi-annual sale, it was not their semi-annual sale. It was just a regular sale that they were having. But it was around Christmas time, and I was going shopping for some of my sorority sisters, and I always get the same thing that I get every time that I go in there. If any of you guys are familiar with Japanese Blossom, that is my favorite Bath and Body Works scent. And then also 1,000 Wishes, I really do love that one too. Those are like probably like my top 2 favorites. But I was like shopping for other people, so I wanted to get a different variety of things, and I ended up coming across this one. And at first first of all, I didn't even smell this when I was in the store. I just picked out a bunch of random ones that the lady was suggesting to me, just because I didn't plan on keeping any of them. I was just only going to get the ones that I always get and then give the others away. So when I get these, and I love getting these bottles from Bath and Body Works, just because I feel like so cool. Like I don't know, I like them compared to like the other types of bottles that they have in there, but I really do love these ones. And something cool that I do is like I'll write a note and I'll wrap it around this bottle, and the bottle itself is not that big, so like when it comes to like this dimensions of it, it's not that big. So I just like will write letters and wrap them around. So when I was going through the perfumes, I was like getting a little bored, so I just started smelling them. And I smelled this one and I was like, okay, like I am not giving this one away. This is one of the only ones that I kept out of the collection that I was going to give my sorority sisters, and I ended up replacing it with one of my Japanese Blossom perfumes. I was like, okay, like I'll risk it to keep this one. And guys, this smells like this is the perfect summertime mist. Something that I really do appreciate about Bath and Body Works perfume, or this is the fragrance mist, is that even though it is a mist, like you don't need that much and you really smell good. It's been honestly, I live like in a very small town, and it's like a lot of trees and like a lot of like, it's just very like cornfieldish, and like it's a lot of like woody areas. And so typically when you kind of live in like a country town, it's prone to be more hotter than it would be living close to like a urban or like a city area. And it's hot, like it's really hot. There's some days when it's like 96 degrees, or some days when it's like 100 and something degrees. And so typically like in the heat, you like start to smell like outside, and then the perfume that you're wearing, it just doesn't coincide together. But something that I can say about this is that, and this is with a lot of other Bath and Body Works products too, I don't typically have that problem. Like I can just spritz like a couple spritz on my neck and like one on my wrist, and honestly like the scent will last me throughout the day, and it doesn't really smell bad. Like it just really like complements everything. I love taking this with me to the pool just because of the width of it, and like it's honestly like the perfect summer perfume. I keep saying perfume, but it's like a body mist. The perfect summer body mist. It's light. It's not like overbearing. I definitely recommend this too if you guys are going to like barbecues, or if you have family reunions to go to, or even somewhere where you're just like having fun, like a day party or something like that. This is definitely like the perfect mist for anything along those lines. Something else that I really do think is cool about this too as well is that the bottle is clear, so I can see how much I have left. And this mist is pinkish. I don't know if you guys can see. but it is pinkish, which I do love. And I'm a really big like fan of the way people market products, and I'll say this over and over again, but I love the design of the bottle and that it's how it's very simple. I have had this for a while. Like I said, I've had this since Christmas, guys, and I still have it. It's almost gone, so I'm gonna purchase a new one, and it's very inexpensive, which and I love that about Bath and Body Works. Like, you're not spending a lot, but what you get in return is honestly worth it. Like I said before though, guys, this is just honestly like such a perfect perfume, especially for right now since it is summer. And honestly, like if you go out all day and you're not like wanting to smell like something so strong, or like you're just really trying to like conserve on like you trying to get eaten by. And this is the other thing too, I wear this outside, guys. Mosquitoes don't touch me. It's like such a light scent, so that's what I also love too. But if you're not trying to smell super strong and you're just trying to have like a kind of like a light scent to you, I do suggest this. Like I said before, guys, this is just Poolside Pop Fine Fragrance Mist, and this is just from Bath and Body Works.